Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I've got a sizzling and mouth-watering recipe for you that's going to blow your taste buds away. We're going to make a fabulous dish called Grilled Chicken Escalope with fresh salsa. Trust me, this recipe is going to make your friends and family go, wowza. So, let's get started on this flavor-packed adventure. We're going to begin with the star of the show, the chicken escalope. Now, don't worry if you're not familiar with the term escalope. It's just a fancy way of saying a thin slice of chicken breast. We want our chicken to be as thin as a pancake, but twice as tasty. Now, grab a chicken breast and place it between two sheets of plastic wrap. And here comes the fun part. Grab a rolling pin or a meat mallet and start pounding that chicken like it's a stress ball. Give it a good whack, but be gentle enough not to turn it into chicken mush. Imagine you're pounding away all your weekday blues. Once our chicken is nice and thin, it's time to give it some flavor. Sprinkle some salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices on both sides of the escalope. Get creative. Maybe you want a touch of garlic powder or a sprinkle of paprika. This is your chance to show off your spice skills and make this chicken dance with flavors. Now, let's heat up the grill pan. You want it to be screaming hot, just like your favorite summer jam. Place your seasoned chicken escalope on the grill pan and listen to that sizzle. It's like a chicken symphony in the making. Cook each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's nicely grilled and juicy. While our chicken is grilling to perfection, it's time to whip up a fresh and vibrant salsa. We're talking about tomatoes, onions, cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and a sprinkle of salt. Chop, chop, chop away. You want your salsa to be a party on a plate, colorful, zesty, and bursting with flavors. Now, it's time for the grand finale. Plate up your beautifully grilled chicken escalope and generously spoon that fresh salsa on top. It's like dressing our chicken in its very own party outfit. The combination of the tender chicken and the zingy salsa is a match made in culinary heaven. Serve this masterpiece with a side of your choice. It could be a refreshing green salad, some roasted veggies, or maybe some garlic butter rice. The options are endless, just like the joy this dish will bring to your taste buds. There you have it, my fellow food enthusiasts. Our grilled chicken escalope with fresh salsa is ready to be devoured. It's a dish that's simple yet impressive, bursting with flavors and a whole lot of fun. So, grab your apron, turn up the music, and let's get cooking. Remember, good food and good vibes are the secret ingredients to a fantastic meal. Happy cooking, and until next time, keep on savoring life, one delicious